Hello guys, and welcome back to Custom Minifigures Daily. So in today's video I'll be showing you how to build Black Panther, or a better Black Panther from the Black Panther movie and also Infinity War and Endgame. So it's pretty simple. You won't need that many minifigs for it. I think you only need about 3. But if you just collect all the sets that come out like me, then you're probably going to have all these parts lying around. Plus these General Zod ones. I don't really collect DC that much, but I got it as a gift. So, but these legs are pretty good for customs. Okay, anyways, so these legs, of course, you might have guessed, are from General Zod, because I've mentioned that a couple of times. So, I like it because it has a silver detailing. It matches up pretty nicely, too, with this area right about here, because it just, kind of comes up in this part. And then I used the torso from the regular Black Panther from the 2018 and also Infinity War Black Panther. I don't think he comes in any Endgame sets, but he does come in Infinity War and the Black Panther one. So, and then that's also where I got the head from. And then for these little ears, I used it from the Civil War sets, the Civil War Black Panther from those sets. I think he only comes in about 1, which is the Black Panther jet, but still not that hard to find. And then these arms, I used from this same minifigure, so. Also, it's just black arms with black hands. Pretty simple to get. Anyways, that is the better Black Panther. If you like this video, make sure you hit the like button. And if you want more of these videos, you can hit the subscribe button, and then or you can search for Custom Minifigures Daily and just click on the my profile picture or my account thing. Click on the button, but subscribing is better. It's faster, and it also helps my channels. So, anyways. Thanks for watching. Remember to subscribe.